Hey, Joel here from Field. And today I'm going to show you the different ways you can accept payments for jobs through the Field CRM and the Field Worker app. Once you've created an appointment and added a service, scroll down to the section labeled Options and Payment. Under Options, you'll be able to attach or create a discount, apply tax, or add a gift card. Under Payment, you'll be able to decide when and how to collect a payment. You can choose to charge the payment after the job is complete or add a card on file. Once a card has been added, you can either charge it at the time of booking or wait until after the job is complete. If you select After Job, you or your worker can mark the job as complete inside of the Field Worker app. From there, you'll be taken to the Field POS. This will allow you to enter new credit card details, charge a card on file, or mark a custom payment method like cash, check, or send an invoice to the customer. Once the payment is recorded, it will appear under the Transactions window inside of Field. And that's it. Now you know how to accept payments for jobs inside of the Field CRM and the Field Worker app.